Imagine a world where you can earn money while you sleep, where you don't have to work a traditional 9-to-5 job, and you can still have the financial freedom to do what you want, when you want. That's the power of passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. It's like having a money-making machine that you set up and then it runs on autopilot. There are many different ways to earn passive income. Investing in stocks and bonds is a classic way to generate passive income. Starting an online business is another great way to generate passive income. Renting out property is another great way to generate money from passive income. Writing and selling ebooks is a great way to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Passive income can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your traditional job. It allows you to earn money while you sleep or pursue other interests. If you're interested in learning more about passive income, I recommend doing some research online and reading books and articles on the topic. There are also many online courses and communities that can help you get started. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the passive income strategies that work best for you. With a little effort, you can create multiple streams of passive income and achieve financial freedom. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. It allows you to work less and live more. So what are you waiting for? Start earning passive income today and take control of your financial future. If you liked our video, give us a like and a comment. And you can also subscribe to us for more interesting videos.